Welcome back, friends. This is Robert and Amy with Site to Site RV. We're still working on a name, so forgive us there. Anyway, Amy had came to me and had a little indoor project because it's hot, very hot outside. So she said, while it's hot and we're inside, you can do some of the inside stuff for me. So anyway, she come to me with this project, and what it is, the cabinet door, when you open it, it hits the convection oven or the microwave right there. So, and also this one was hitting the side of the slab. So I fixed this one and I said, hey, get your camera. This is something we can do for, you know, it might help somebody else along the way that might be having the same issue. We had this problem one time before, and we got to thinking, what can we use, what can we do to fix the issue? Well, it's real easy. So you can go to your local Walmart hardware store, wherever you can get things to hang pictures. So it comes like in a little, let me see if I can pick this up without spilling everywhere. It's just a picture hanging kit.
Come any closer, I can come close to you,
Okay.
babe.
It's just a picture hanging kit.
Hold on, it's not focusing. It focused finally.
Okay. Anyway, it's just a picture hanging kit. What was this? Just a couple of dollars probably? Not much to it?
I think it was $3 or $4.
So, anyway.
But we've used it quite a bit.
Yep, so all you're going to need is a drill, a real small drill bit, and the size drill bit would vary depending on what size little screws that you have that you're going to be putting in.
In your kit.
In your kit. But anyway, you're going to drill. I'm going to let her come in on that. This is what we're going to be using.
Okay.
So you just want your drill bit just a little bit smaller than the threads, and the wire that come out of the hanging kit, and some way of cutting the wire. So come right here where you can see. So the first step the first thing that I done was decide where do you want this. If you want it on the bottom, you can also attach it in the middle or on the top. And Amy said she wanted it up on the top because it would be completely out of her way, and that makes sense. So you'll have one eye lug here, so it'll go like this, and you're going to have one right about in here. It'll go like this. All right. So all you're going to do is take your drill and move. Anyway, you don't want to go too deep, but just enough to make it easy. So about a ½ inch deep. That's about how deep that we went right there. And all that's for is just to help this thread in. Without doing a lot of damage to your cabinet. Some units have some of these already on the cabinet doors from the factory, and they use like a wide band, and it's just right here. I just couldn't figure out how.
Hey, do you have to go that far out on the door, or can you go closer?
You could probably go closer, but I like it further out because it gives you a little more leverage.
Oh, okay.
It's just I don't know. It just, to me, that's
good question.
Yeah, you could probably do it here and it would do the same thing. Yeah, you could probably do it there and it'd do the same thing.
Because the closer it is, the less wire you use.
The closer it is, the less wire you use.
But you're right, it does have more leverage.
You get close to your pivot point and it'll let it go.
Uh-huh.
It won't actually stop.
Okay. I mean, it's just a logical question.
So, same thing here. But be careful when you put this here, not to where when you close the cabinet, it hits here. So it needs to be low. Make sure that if you put it here, that it's not going to hit the framework for your cabinet. So same thing, about a 1/2 inch deep. And my hands is getting in the way, and
No, you're good.
I'm sorry, but
That's why I'm underneath.
anyway, and then you may have to use your pliers or to tighten this up, and that's the wrong kind of pliers I'm using, but it works.
I got some others if you need it.
No, that's okay. Anyway.
Yeah, make sure it works.
Okay, so we've got those installed. So now you're just going to take your cable, and it don't matter which one you do first. But you just twist it, and I'll show you more what I done when we get outside here. All right, so how much cable does it take to tie into a knot?
Looks like a cat got a hold of it.
Anyway, maybe we should have practiced this before we did the video, huh? Anyway. Okay, now we're ready. Now we're going. All right, so you want to make sure that when you put your cable that you're not. So you've got to figure out, okay, where you want your cabinet to stop. So I'm gonna say about right there. So that should leave you about on 1/2 inch or so off of what it was hitting, and just so if we cut about right this here, it'll be plenty.
Measure it that way.
So about right there, and
Just don't damage it while you're trying to fix it.
so what we'll do is you go run the end of the cable through the little eye. Is that enough?
Check it again.
No, let's go a little bit tighter. So not a problem. That's good. Now you can see how much gap it's got right here, and then all you do is through the eye. You're just gonna just twist it over itself, just like so. Just like that.
Without poking yourself.
Without poking yourself. Anyway, so now we've got that, and it closes with no problem. It opens, and voila, it don't hit the
Microwave.
the microwave. So as you can see, we've done the same thing on this side. I actually probably need to tighten that one up, but
It's easier to tighten it up than it is to have it too short.
So there's your little how-to project for today.
And this is what it looks like when they do it sometimes.
Yeah. The pantry door was it would actually come back and hit the refrigerator. So this is what they did. And I mean, it's okay, but I was like, how am I going to get this on the small cabinets? And I just didn't like the way it looked. So
It is sturdy for this type of door, though.
yeah, probably for a door I would use that instead of what we used right there, but it's good.
Or some type of door stop.
Yeah. All right. Hope this helps. God bless.